Earthquakes destroy buildings, but strong foundations can prevent collapse.
Earthquakes cause intense ground movement that stresses foundations. In some soils, earthquakes cause liquefaction, turning solid ground into liquid. Engineers use deep pile foundations to anchor buildings to stable soil layers. Base isolation systems allow buildings to move safely during earthquakes. Shock absorbers called seismic dampers reduce earthquake forces. Modern sensors monitor structural movement in real time. With advanced engineering, buildings can survive powerful earthquakes.